How to enable enhanced protection in Google Chrome in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can enable enhanced protection in Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google Chrome in your device. After that, navigate to the three dot icon at the top right corner, click on it, and here you have to head towards the help, and now click on about Google Chrome and make sure your Chrome or your Google Chrome is up to date. If not, the update will automatically begin once you land on this interface. Now once your Chrome is up to date, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and head towards privacy and security. Under privacy and security, now click on security. And here under safe browsing, if you have selected the second option, that is standard protection, now to enable enhanced protection, select the first option, and that's going to enable enhanced protection in your Google Chrome. Once you do that, you can scroll down a bit and then head towards the advanced section where you have use Secure DNS. Make sure to turn on that toggle, and here now you can select your DNS. For now I just have a default, but if you want to select a different one, then you can go with Cloudflare. You can either select the Google DNS or any other clean browsing which provides the family filter. So here you can select any of your DNS. Also you can add your custom DNS service provider too. So once you have done that and once you have saved your settings, you have enabled the enhanced protection in your Google Chrome. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.